Hello, welcome to Meandherafterkids. I'm me and her is already in the Jeep. We're going to head down to Castle Rock today. We're going to hike Rock Park. It's rated, 4.8. We're going to go see what all the hype's about. Get in the Jeep, come on. Made it to Rock Park. We're here at the trailhead, fixing to head on up. Looks like a big old climb right there. So far so good. Went but like a 13-minute drive. It's nice to be right around everything for a change instead of a 6-hour drive just to get to the nearest hiking trail pretty much. But we're gonna enjoy this. It's a small one. It's only about 1.5 miles loop trail. We'll see how it goes. Looks like the trail is all nice and paved, and not paved, but gravel. So it's really not hiking, it's just more like a leisurely walk. Anyway, enjoy the view. That's the sound of nature. Or, wait a minute, maybe that's a fat man breathing hard. Here's the view from the top. Beautiful. Kind of disappointed we didn't go all the way to the top. Well, that's pretty cool. Wasn't that bad. Well, it is for a Texas flatlander, but it was a real nice little climb. Now the hard part, going down. My old knees don't like that. Yeah, this is beautiful up here. Well, that's Rock Park down here in Castle Rock. Not too bad. Like I said, 1.4 mile loop trail. It was moderately busy, but it ain't nothing like the Lighthouse Trail down in Paladero Canyon, that's for sure, where you're rubbing shoulders all the way there and back. There's a lot of real nice little picnic places that you can do up at the top underneath the cliffs in the shade. All in all, I give it a 8. I'd give it higher than that, but a couple of bad things, which of course here's negative Nancy coming out, but you just can't get away from the roar of the highway. The whole time you're hiking, you can hear the cars on the highway just going up and down through these side streets and stuff. And if you can block that out, then it's a 10 out of 10. But for some reason up here in Colorado, I have the fantasy of nobody around, by myself. But I was reminded that I just moved to a state where everybody comes to. So other than that, I highly recommend it if you're coming through. You can't miss it. Hence the Castle Rock. It looks like a castle on the hill. Captain Obvious there. Anyway, we're gonna go try to find a sandwich shop somewhere. Sit down and have a big old glass of sweet tea. Thanks for coming along. See you down the road.